Alright.
Yeah. Wow. What was it?
Sorry. Okay, no.
Excuse me.
So professional.
That was needed.
We're gonna bake stuff from homemade too. Like customized.
Thank you.
2 hours. What? Sorry. This. I won the game. I'm 18. I'm 19. She isn't smart enough to take algebra 2.
I can burp on command, they're just not that great. I was wrong.
Excuse me. I'm not gonna give him my view. I want another side. My mouth is burning. Those are hot. Excuse me. Wait, how is that? Excuse me. Guys. I don't know.
Dishwasher store? What do you mean?
God, I was like, oh.
Focus on your grades a lot. Like,
So you get scholarships.
that's something that I regretted. Sorry.
No.
Hi, Kinley. How are you? You're going through that. What the fuck, Jack? And I will never stop saying it. Oh my god. I'm not deposit and I have to wait for a paper check. This is the deepest conversation I've ever had.
Yeah, this is some deep shit. No, that was...
English or Spanish? I'm so sorry. It like makes your nose like... And what was that? Yeah! Dildo, all the way. I feel like we don't have an accent. Can I burp? I'm about to burp. Hi. This one is really nice. Guys, I'm about to burp. Wait, what is that? Crazy. Thank you, Abigail. You're pretty too. Shit. Sorry. Ew. Why? Why do they sound like that? Wait, it might echo though. Oh, we live in Jafraka. You're a pretty That was a 10. We're about to get off. Thank you so much.
It's out, but like, they're shot together. Did I hydrate? Yeah, I've been drinking my beer. Excuse me. Go!
Oh, that's literally like impossible to. Give me a minute. Does that count? Can I burp now? I did it. I can't.